YouTube, what up? It's your boy Young Rich 419, man. See where we at today? The Junkyard, man. Man, I don't want to be here. And you see how I'm bundled up, cold in the month, man. Yeah, man. Gotta grab some pieces for the Dodge Magnum, man. Some interior pieces. So what we about to do is hopefully find a couple interior spots, because I'm changing up some stuff, man. So now y'all know I'm changing up the interior on it, man. So in order for me to do this, I gotta come to the junkyard and grab some pieces, and then I should be good to go. But first and foremost, like I said, the Dodge Magnum is ready to be painted. The Dodge Magnum is ready to be painted, man. So you know what that means, man. It's almost about to be done, man. So, but yeah, this is what we need today. You know what I mean? I need 2 of these handles, black handles. Need 2 of these black handles, man. So I already got door panels coming, so we cool on that. Already got door panels already here. 2 of them was already here. 2 of them should be here today. So hopefully we should be cool. I need these door handles and I need these rods in all of these doors. And luckily, I already got a car over here that already got the door panels already off. So all I gotta do is just take the rods. So now I wish this had black interior, because if it had black interior, I'd have took the handle off this one, but these handles are gray. So, but yeah, man, I gotta grab these rods, man. I gotta grab these rods, man. So out the front and the back and everything. Oh, I gotta take the back out. Well, alright, it's alright, fuck it. Yeah, I gotta grab these rods though, man. So like I said, man, this is what you need if you want to put 300 door panels inside your Magnum. You're gonna need these rods, man. You know what I mean? This shouldn't need this. Yeah, I should need this. But yeah, we'll see. Take these off, and I should be good to go. All right, man. Let's get it working. All right, YouTube, I'm back, man. Back from the struggle, man. Getting these rods out was a pain in the ass, man. No lie, man. Yeah. Here y'all go right here. Got the rods. Pain in the ass, man. Got some screws, plastic pieces. But mine's broke off, man. Got me another one. This mother brand new. Ain't never pushed his foot on here on this brake. Man. In the ass, man. The struggle is real. I don't know how some of y'all be recording fixing cars, man. People be cussing and shit. I heard a motherfucker say, "God damn it, motherfucker." Motherfucker struggling out here, man. Shit, yeah, man. Y'all like, share, subscribe, man. Alright, YouTube. Before y'all show y'all the clip of the Magnum, I'm gonna show y'all my door panels, man. I just got these, like I said, it came today. I already got the rears. I already got the fronts. These the rears, man. So I'm about to unbox them with y'all right now. see him same time I see him. All right. All right, see how the man, all black boys. Thank God he put the this over. All right, it doesn't have the handles, but I have the handles. I just went and copped those when I was at the junkyard. So yeah, man, he clean, man. Clean. Look good. Look clean. Yeah, they good. I don't know if these handles, these switches work, but that's what we working with, y'all. I said the rears. I have the fronts down here. What fronts? Yeah, got the fronts with the handles on them already. So I know it's a little dark, but yeah, man. All right, man. Here go look at the Magnum, y'all.